It run, but I didn't see the upload happen or not. Select file.
Is,
Where is it?
can you see that upload file? You can see in the file already uploaded in that website. Go down. Go down. Somewhere there is your file name. Can you do one file upload manually and check it out where it is displayed?
No, this is different. Uh, do we have that code? This is just we selected. We didn't click send, right?
No, no, it only selected. Yeah, you just upload manually. Check it out
Yeah, just now I uploaded.
manually.
Upload.
Yeah, add file. Left hand side. Go up. Go up.
Yeah, that's what just now I did. I have
Uh-huh.
add files. I have selected file,
Yeah. Okay.
open,
Yeah. Can you see this? Yeah. So same thing we can do. Later on, you can add send and whatever you want.
send.
No, no, no. As
No
of now,
need to
no.
send.
Just you have uploaded, correct? Separate test. Can you see this in this?
Okay. Mm.
Yeah. Only we want to check it out whether it's uploaded or not in our test case.
Okay, let me run again.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. It's uploaded.
upload test.
Yeah.
Okay, just we need to select
Select
file
file and
and
path
path, right?
and path. Bus only that one.
Okay. Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Mm-hmm. One second. Can you open your syllabus? Just check it out where we are right now. Satya? Hello?
Okay, checking. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Where I kept that one.
Are you sharing your screen?
No, no, no. I'm checking where I kept that one.
Okay.
This is chroma only, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alias. Rap. We saw, right? Rap.
Yeah, yeah.
Cypress. Okay. Assertion. Explicit assertion.
Yeah, explicit. Now I'll just check it out. Yeah. Implicit we have seen, correct?
Yeah.
See, explicit, like what happened in explicit? We use expect here. Can you see this one? Hello?
Yeah.
See, I'm having one code here.
Get. Okay.
I, I'm having one code here, JavaScript code. So in this list, we have walk the dog. Second list is feed the cat and write JavaScript like this. Okay. And this is my class. Okay. So this is for example, instead of going to DOM, I just put it here. So we use one class here, like see connect list here, li. Okay. Now this one is your implicit assertion should lis like this. This contain lis, whatever lis I'm using, all these things. Now in this case, I'm using expect lis to have length 3. So I'm using in explicit, I'm using expect here. Can you see?
What is that syntax dot? That is okay. This is greater than li. What is that?
This is your class.
Class. Okay. What is the why you put greater than li?
Like we want this one now, li. Like for example, uh, it is by default we can use this one.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
It will fetch all lists.
yeah, yeah. Correct. Then in the should I put one variable ls and comparing all this thing. Like this li content have length 3, 0 in the 0 index we have walk the dog. In first index we have feed the cat. In the second we have write JavaScript. So whenever you're using expected, expect, this is an explicit assertion. So whenever you're writing expect as explicit, so there is no need to write like in this case implicit. You write CY.get followed by should, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Should implicit, right?
should
First.
is implicit, but expect is explicit.
Okay.
So if you go to Iona, Like if I take one more example to you, see. See like this. Like so you take this explicit assertion for example, expect this is a class to have property for n bar. So when you're dealing with expect, no, so it's come under explicit function. Now again you can see should is implicit one. Okay, and again you can see the explicit here. So first of all, let me know what do you mean by understand by the word implicit and explicit.
Sorry, can you come again?
I'm saying like what you are getting the differences between the implicit and explicit word in English.
Implicit, implicit means mm, maybe default or yeah, no, um, no. In Selenium, implicit means but that is applicable for uh, all control. If whatever we put timing, that will applicable for all elements
And
available
explicit
in
and explicit.
explicit, that will work on the specified conditions.
Exactly, correct. I agree with you. Same thing as this one is applicable for all LIs, and this
Okay, sure.
expect LSC only for a specific one equal to zero. This one is for a specific one.
Specific
Yeah. So this one
one.
is implicit because it apply for all LI, and this one is particular applies specific.
Okay, sure.
This is the simplest basic definition of implicit and explicit. You are correct. Clear here? Explicit, implicit.
Okay, that's explicit. No, there are so many. Okay, the dollar. We need to put
Yeah,
dollar.
it's up to you. Like if you want, you can put dollar here. In each iterator also you can put dollar. It's up to you.
There are so many syntaxes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, to have equal here. Okay, most probably we have to have and to contain only, right?
Right,
What
right.
else we, we
There are
we
many.
will use in real time?
If you take check it out now, see I wrote there are many which haven't I even though I haven't used that one. Only the basic we use to contain to include like this. But if you read the article line, CRO, you will get many that whatever you want, you can just there's a library of But whatever,
Okay,
yeah, whatever I'm teaching you is like mostly used in the company like contain, include, equal to.
okay. Can you ping this code?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Can you ping me the
I
full code?
full code, na?
Only okay. Only I need to add only reference, right?
Yeah, yeah. Only reference you need to add.
No, reference you didn't add. That is that mandatory or optional? We are putting
It won't run, as a raw because we don't have any it and describe block here. Yeah, I'm just taking you out like we have one code here. So how to grab the class locator here and how to do implicit and explicit functions here. So it won't run, because you have need to put describe and int block here.
this should be in it block, right?
Yeah, yeah, it and describe. So it's a simply like I'm just taking you because
Okay.
we don't have code, as of now to run. We don't have any website to run this one.
From where you
I just take
get
any like example. If you want live example for this one, na, I'll just showcase you one example of explicit function. Cypress explicit assertion example. You can take any IO help. This one is CyberDocs. So if you this can check it out. This should expect name to equal to Jane like this. You can use. Uh, you can use any one here. Expect name to not equal to Jane like this. I'll take this example also if you need it. Okay, if I
yeah
see, yeah,
on
if you
small
see here my code, you will get one. See, I'm having one code here. Adding two items.
okay.
Uh, Here I'm using explicit or adding two items in cart content cart. So form. If I go to this support command.js, mhm, where we have an example of expert here. Let me check for you. API testing we have. Yeah, we have an example in API testing. Okay, we'll cover here API testing as well as the expert also. Okay. Hello, Satya.
Yeah,
So, Satya, what do you understand by API testing? What do you mean by API? Have you done API testing in Selenium, like input
yeah.
method?
Long back, I have some idea.
Okay, so what are the methods in API? Like get method, post. So what is
Yeah,
the difference between get and post method? If I ask you.
get is a create. Get is a select to fetch data from the
Okay.
API. Post is a create new record.
Okay, and what about put?
Post will get post. We need to provide body. Put is update.
Okay, and delete is like you can delete it. Okay,
Delete,
correct. Yeah. So see here, if you see, if I take this one, I'm having one uh, endpoint is this one is my endpoint. Okay, I
okay.
copy this endpoint here. I just basically you will
Now,
see
what
this.
is the prerequisite for it? Do we need to configure anything?
No, for API testing, no need to configure anything. Okay, yeah, it's
Just
inbuilt
we
there.
need endpoint URL.
Yeah,
That's
only endpoint URL we need it. So this is the endpoint. We are getting this kind of data in this endpoint. Okay. Now you can see the page number 2 per page 6 total 12 total pages 2 data correct email Michael.
okay.
Okay, these are the data. What I'll do here, I'll just take you this then function. So what we'll do then, whatever data you can see no in this, it is fetching using then and we are putting all the data into this response here now in one variable. So all the data we fetch into one variable using then function. Got it?
Okay.
Now using this fat arrow operation like function, what we do now, we just putting like cvar.log all the value what value we are getting right now, like cvar.log a dot body dot data first name, then this data 1 2 3 we can get. So we you will get all the first name, second name, third name like this in this way. Okay, I'm just fetching all the data in this case. If I
No,
take
no. We
yeah.
response from response. We are putting one more variable. A.
Yeah, see,
What is that?
this is the cvar request. Whenever you are dealing with API testing in Cypress, you need cvar request. Okay, so which
Okay.
method
Get
you are fetching? Get
endpoint
method here.
URL.
Get and
Okay.
comma is your end URL.
Okay.
Okay, and now you using one response function here. Like the response then function is there inside. Then you have response variable. Okay,
Okay.
now inside response variable you are fetching all the data. Correct. Now again, what you do? You take this response here because response contain all the data. Correct. This data contained in the response now. So again you use then function here a. Okay, and you just passing like what happened a dot body dot data
No, no. I didn't
first.
get. CY dot log response means are you
Hey, one second.
writing
I'll
in the
I'll just
log?
I'll just run this one. You'll get more idea. Okay. NPX address open. API happen testing. Correct. Why I'm getting this to only
Yeah.
One do I'll take copy this one. I open your test case. See, you get one error in get, but post and update working fine. Delete also working fine. Okay. So cannot read property body here in the get. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll copy this one. Okay, Satya.
Okay.
These two line I'll copy here to just showcase you, and I just give comment because it's already there, na? Yeah, it's already there. I just give comment to this one. As if now this one is not working right now, so I'll open this one. Now again I'll run this one. Save it and run it. Now get working fine, post working fine, update and delete. Okay. Now I open this get here. So can you see? I'm getting 200 here, and I got Michael here. Okay. Now what happened here? If I take you to this data, okay. So see here, you can see in the first row ID 7, email ID Michael. First name is Michael. Can you see?
Yes.
Last name is Lawson, and this was a website, something like this. Okay. So what I am doing in this code, if you see carefully here, Now see, I am fetching this endpoint. In that endpoint, using the then function, in this variable I got all the data. Okay, now the same data, expect response dot status equal 200. So I'm just checking out the response should be 200 here. So once we get response 200, we get the correct data,
Rest.
correct. It's,
Yes.
and second thing I'm just checking out here.
No, no. Where is that status code? In
Yeah, what I'll do, I'll just check it to one another point. This is the URL, endpoint URL, correct.
yeah, yeah.
I'll take you the website. This is
Okay.
website html If you go there, you can see the response.in here. Can you see this res.in? You will get
Yes.
this. You can use this for your testing purpose, like get, post, all the methods you can get here. This is your endpoint data. So this one is your response 200. Got it? And if you go to this post, you will get the response 201, 201. Okay, so if you click that, directly click here, right click here. If you go to this network, you can get the APIs here. What I'll do now, I just click here, post. This post I'll click. First I clear it. I click this post here now. I can get this APIs. Can you see?
Yeah.
I'll just see this is the API I'm getting here. User the request 200 201 for post. This is payload name or first job leader like this payload preview IDs and response. I got this response here name John. Can you see? This was the API I'm getting here. So in this case, I'm checking out whether 200 is there in the for get case. So I got this one, and first name is equal, like response dot body dot data. So if you go to response, you can check the body payload name morphos. This one is get. Now I'm dealing with get. So what I do, I just clear it and go to get here. I just fetch this one get. Now what API I'm getting here for get purpose? Either 200 we are getting the API, 200 I'm getting here this response I'm getting this Michael first name. Can you see this one?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm getting this response for Michael here for get. These are all the data. Now 200. Now response dot status 200. Okay. Now response dot body dot data dot 0. So at data dot 0, I'm having this Michael. This is my data. Got it?
Okay.
Under body, data 1, data 2 like this. First name equal to Michael. So I'll get the result Michael here. Can you see? So in this way, you can use API testing and using the explicit function, expect response body to data. You can check it out. Same here, what you are doing, you are adding something, in this list, like Morphos leader. Okay. So you get the result here. If you go to this result, if you just go to post create user, you can check it out like this. 201 you will get. Okay. Morphos you can get and leader. Means you are adding something here. You can add, even though you can add your name also in this list.
No, no. For post, how to prepare body? For post, we
You
need to
can,
set body, right?
yeah, you can see in the post you can create one user, where user. Can you see? This is your
Okay.
data you are
Name.
created, and this user you are putting here in the endpoint, comma user.
This is but in real time will have big body, right, with arrays, different objects.
Yeah, you have a body. You can see, na. This is you can see, na, in the response of API.
No, post. I'm talking about post.
Post, na. Yeah, 1 second. I'll just go to create one
No,
post
I
first.
think here post is simple, but in real time we need to send use.
Here, Marcos created.
Yeah, this.
If I create your name, like for example Satya.
No. In body, if we have some array object, I
Yeah.
need to send array. Then how can I send that?
Okay. 1 second. You mean to say that you want to send the array object, correct?
Yeah.
So in that case, like you can create array here only, na, object, and you send it to that. Like for example, here in this case, user is your object, correct? You're passing this value, correct? You can just put
Yeah.
array here. You can put more data. If you can ask the putting of more data in that case. Okay, I'll take you the basic. This one is the basic one. I'll take you that one also. Okay. But the
Okay.
basic question is you got it now. How to use get using only one command we have right now in Cypress. Request command. If it is get, put get here. If it is post, take post here.
Post.
If you want to delete it, you can just use update and put it here.
Now that user is like body, acts as body, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So now you want to add something. You want to update something. You can use this, change that one, whatever you want, and just put it here. Put. And if you want to delete, you can just use delete here. Delete.
Okay.
Update. This is update. Working for update, and this one is delete.
Okay. Can you ping me this code?
Sure, sure.
Yeah. Can you get one API that will cover all objects like the individual key pair
Sure,
and
sure. We'll take that.
array? Okay.
No worry. Okay, Satya, you try this one. Okay, so this one we cover like two things. First one is the API, and second one is how to use assertion here, explicit assertion here.
Okay. API. Okay. Okay, we know we don't require any plugins or any
No, no,
nothing, right? For
no, no,
API, just directly it
no.
will work, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Satya. You try this one. Let me know. We'll go tomorrow then. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then
Okay.
bye. Take care.
Bye. Yeah. Thank you.